Hello friends, welcome back in digital class of LBS School. My dear friend, today in this video I am going to start second chapter of 6th standard history. Okay, sources of history. Name of chapter is sources of history. In this particular chapter we are going to discuss these 5 points. 2.1 material sources, 2.2 written sources, 2.3 oral sources, 2.4 sources of ancient Indian history, and 2.5 precautions to be taken while writing history. Okay, so these 5 points we are going to discuss in this particular chapter. Now look, you can try this. Okay, try this. Make a list of things. Make a list of things. Make a list of things in your house which belong to your grandparents' time. You have to make a list. Okay, you have to make a list of things which belongs to your grandparents' time. तो आपके जो दादी दादा के समय की जो भी चीजें हैं उसकी आपको क्या करनी है, लिस्ट करनी है. So now look, a number of objects used by our ancestors still exist. Number of objects. Okay, number of objects used by our ancestors still exist. Ancestors. Okay, ancestor जो बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो हमारे प्राचीन समय से हम यूज करते आए हैं. हमारे एंसेस्टर भी उसको यूज करते थे, हमारे जो पूर्वज होते. ओके, सम इंस्क्रिप्शंस यानी शिलालेख. Some inscription from the past have been recovered. Sources like these help us to understand our history. और ये जो sources ये with the help of these sources we can identify, we can understand the history. Okay, history can also be learned through customs. जो चाली रीति रूढ़ी परंपरा. Okay, customs, tradition, folk arts, folk literature, as well as historical documents. With the help of folk arts लोक कला जिसे कहते हैं, folk literature लोक साहित्य जिसे कहते हैं, और as well as historical documents. With the help of these sources we can identify, we can understand history. Okay, and these are sources. These are of 3 types. One is material sources, written sources, and oral sources. How many types of sources? There are 3 sources: oral sources, material sources, and written sources. Okay, now look. Can you tell? Now look. Structures such as forts, rock-cut caves, stupa, etc. are known as material sources. This is definition of material sources. Structures such as fort, rock-cut caves, stupa, etc. are known as material sources of history. Try to guess what other structures can be called material sources. Okay, now look here. First point I am going to explain you. 2.1 material sources. What are the material sources? Now look, man uses variety of things in his day-to-day life. We are using a variety of things. We are using lot of things in our day-to-day life. They are known as artifacts. Okay, this is artifacts. Definition of artifacts. What is artifacts? Artifacts means man uses variety of things in day-to-day life. It is called artifacts. Now look, artifacts used by humans in the past provide us valuable information about life in the ancient times. Artifacts, जो artifacts होते हैं, जो साधन जिसे हम क्या कहेंगे, जो चीजें थी. With the help of these artifacts, we can identify, these artifacts provide us valuable information about ancient times. प्राचीन समय के बारे में जो हमें किससे ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है? Artifacts. We can decide the period of ancient artifacts. With the help of artifacts, we can decide the particular that time. Okay, like earthen pots, studying the shape colors, designs on ancient postcards, the ornaments and other artifacts throw light on social interaction. So with the help of these all things we can get information about ancient history. Next we get information about diet of the people. Okay, we will get information about the diet of the people from the remains of food grains, seed and bones of animals found in excavation. This is new word we have to write down. Excavation. Excavation is utkhanan. Okay, excavation. Also we find remains of houses and buildings built in different historical periods. पर्टिकुलर पीरियड में किस तरह के घर हुआ करते थे, किस तरह के स्ट्रक्चर्स हुआ करते थे, ये भी हमें पता चलता है. We also find ancient coins, है ना, ancient coins and seals. All this gives us information about human activities in the past. जो seals है या coins है, with the help of seals and coins, we can understand what activities in the past. कौन सी activities हुआ करती थी past में, हम ये अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं. All such artifacts, articles and monuments or their ruins are called material of history, material sources of history. Okay, material sources of history. This is also definition of material source. So you have to copy down this definition also. Okay, in the next video I am going to explain you remaining part of this chapter. Thank you.